What a delightful little tune, really filled with energy and fast motion, fast pace. So when you're playing this, keep track of the dynamics and of course the string crossings, and there's all kinds of interesting moments here going on. And of course, good luck with your ABRSM exam if this is the one tune that you chose. I hope it goes well for you, and if you need help, let me know. You know how to find me. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks.